example. What to do, what to do, what to do, what to do. Pause and copy, pause and copy, pause and copy. Now notice we have a different beast here. Okay, x is given in terms of y, and we want to, well, not try to solve for y. Thankfully, we don't have to. If you recall above or earlier, you remember I had this expression, delta x squared plus delta y squared. Okay, I chose to factor out delta x squared, but if you factor out delta y squared, what do you get? Well, you get a very similar looking expression to the one I ended up with ultimately. So all this to say is that the formula as derived has a certain symmetry to it, so I can write down a very similar and correct formula for this situation. So pause and copy this rectangle. So if x is given, x is given in terms of y, as it is here, you can use very similar formula to find your arc length. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. I recopy x here, fractional exponent. I take a derivative. And then I'm going to square it. Okay, I've done a few of these in my day, so you have to remember I got two cross terms which add up to this minus a half. And then when I add 1, the minus a half becomes a plus half. Okay, so I'm taking this equation, I'm adding 1 to both sides. And last thing is the factor. Okay, so again, I'll let you copy that. Pause, copy, pause, copy, pause, copy. So again, the factoring is guess and check. Oops, I forgot my squared. Squared. The factoring is guess and check. And I'm saying to myself, okay, when I squared this guy, I got this. So if I want to factor a very similar expression, why don't I try this thing squared, except turn that minus into a plus? So factoring by guess and check gives me this. You can check if you like. I'm fairly confident that this works. All right, throw that into my arc length formula. Okay, the arc length formula is just this as the integrand except square rooted. So the 2 disappears. And then nothing left to do but to work this out. Beep, boop, boop, beep, bop, 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 boop, beep. Oh, there it is. There it is.